In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing. To get started, sign into your GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing dashboard and open the website you want to update. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Store section in the main menu and then select Products. This is where you manage all the items you want to sell on your site, whether they're physical goods that need shipping or digital products that customers can download after purchase. When you're on the products page, click Add Product. GoDaddy will then ask you what kind of product you want to create. You can choose either physical or digital, depending on what you're selling. If you're offering something like clothing, accessories, books, or other shipped items, choose physical. If you're selling files such as ebooks, templates, music, or downloads, choose digital. Picking the correct option is important because it affects how the product is delivered to your customer. Next, enter the product details. Start with the title and make sure it's clear and easy for customers to understand at a glance. Then add the price. Be careful to enter the correct amount, since this is what shoppers will see immediately when browsing your store. After that, fill in the description. This is your chance to explain what the product is, what makes it valuable, and any key details a buyer should know before purchasing. A simple, informative description usually works best, especially if you want to help customers make quick decisions. You'll also need to upload image files for the product. Choose images that are clear, well lit, and accurately represent what you're selling. Good product images can make a big difference because they help build trust and give buyers a better sense of what to expect. If you have multiple images available, use the ones that best show the product from its most useful angles or highlight important details. Once everything is filled out, click Save if you're done creating this item. If you plan to add more products right away, you can click Save and add another instead, which speeds up the process and keeps you in the product creation flow. After saving your product, make sure to publish your site so the changes go live. This final step is easy to overlook, but it's essential. If you don't publish, your new product may be saved in the dashboard without appearing on the live website. And that's it. You've successfully added a product in GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing.